All right, we got the next thing in the shop right now, and we picked up this 2015 Abarth Fiat 500, and it was hit in the front. The transmission got hit pretty hard, broke some brackets on it, but we have a spare transmission here. Now, you got to pull the motor to get the tranny out. These motors come out really easily. Joel's pulled 2 of these now. He's pulled the whole front end. In like 3 hours, he had this thing out already. And we got a spare transmission that's going in. This car has, how many miles?
41,000.
41,000. It's a clean title. And we picked up another car about 45 minutes away. Both of these got 2 for 1. So we got a whole bunch of parts. We still got to go get the other car yet. But we have to switch over some parts that got damaged in order to get this thing started back up. It has an upgraded turbo. Which turbo is it?
I think it's the Garrett Hybrid, if I'm not mistaken.
Garrett Hybrid right there. When I helped him pull this transmission off, I was like, hey, look at this downpipe's, wrapped. And I was like, that's a good telltale sign that it's got some upgraded parts on it. So these things are easy to actually work on. And I don't know much about it. As much as him.
They get a bad rap for being terrible, but they're super simple to work on.
So this guy locked the keys in the car while he was working on it, and his idea was to go in through the windshield. We have a spare windshield, and we're going to get this car cleaned up, and we are going to, right there, sell it eventually. So it's got some Road America stickers on there. Here's all the front end. These cars are kind of easy. These cars are really simple to work on. I'm learning that quick. These cars are 134A, so the AC is super cheap on this stuff. Not like the new 1234 YF, and that's a plus for when doing some of this stuff. Not as much antifreeze you got to drain, and just a lot of stuff is just so small and petite and lighter to work with, unlike like a truck.
Yeah, I'm not strong and I can pick that transmission up like nothing.
Right. So, we're good. So we got the other white one done. We just got to fix the front bumper. The little tabs are broke on this one. This car is pretty much done. So, we're going to end up selling this one. We put a transmission. What are we doing this one?
Put an engine and transmission.
We put an engine and a transmission in this one out of another wrecked one. So right now I have 3 of these on my property. So, but this one is like 90% done. We're going to clean this one up, buff it all up, get it ready for sale.
Really nice car.
Yeah, this one has 60-something thousand on it.
63,000.
Yeah. So this one's going to be going for sale shortly, and summer's coming. And
leather seats, Bose audio,
leather seats,
Android CarPlay.
Everything. Fun stuff in this car. Sounds good. So
It runs so good.
yeah. So we're going to get this one. We're going to start turning these Fiat 500s. So if you're interested in some Fiat 500 content, stick around. All right, so it still looks like the motor's out, but this is a second motor. We had the whole motor in here. So everything's done. And we went to go put the axle shafts in. And the spline is missing in the one that we put in the car. This is the one that came out of this car that's in here right now. And the case is broke. Some brackets are broke and everything like that. So we had another manual transmission from another car, and we just threw it in there. And we overlooked looking at the splines and everything, which apparently it looks like the diff might be blowing on this transmission. So we're going to have to take everything back out. We were going to run and drive this thing like soon.
Like 2 hours ago.
Yeah. So that's the update. Not the update, but that's just what we just noticed. This is very unfortunate that we got to take it back out. This motor's for the other car that is out there right now. We just brought it in because it's supposed to snow tonight. So now we get the luxury of taking everything back off.
It's supposed to snow tonight. It was 65 degrees.
Dude, it said
3 hours
70.
ago.
Yeah, it said 70 actually today.
And it's supposed to snow tonight.
And it's going to snow. So we got to rip this back out. So, yes. Okay, just kidding. So on this Fiat, somebody took this transmission coupling off for the axle. So this is important. Why? Because what we just learned is that the differential inside of here will rotate like this inside. So there was no splines inside of there on the one that's inside the car. So we went to go slide the axle in, and there was no splines. So we were like, uh-oh. Well, then we took a flashlight, and we shined a flashlight down on there, and we could see the splines were, like, up and down, and they're supposed to be left to right. So this was off of the car, so that allowed this to, like, flip up inside of there. So we took this back off, or he took it back off, and we were able to level this out, and now slid the axles in. And everything's good. So now we don't have to take the motor out to switch the transmission look and all that. So that's pretty crazy that that can happen like that. So we're going to finish buttoning it up, put the antifreeze in, and everything else, liquid fluids, and
Gear oil, brake fluid, clutch. Cool.
Yeah, bleed the brakes. We don't have any brake fluid.
None?
We're all out. Uh-oh, parts run. Okay, gotta go.